So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Darani. So I know you guys can already see this beautiful wig. I know you saw it in the intro as well. You guys call me freaking Beyonce with this wig, and that's period. Like, if you're commenting anything down, let's be hi Beyonce, you look good Beyonce, because that is exactly what this wig is giving me. This wig is from the Hair Caterers. This video is sponsored by them, so a huge thank you to the Hair Caterers for sponsoring this video. If you like to see how this wig came out the box, you know, the whole shebang, me unboxing it, me putting it on my hair, me brushing it, this hair didn't give me a single atom of stress. Like, I literally did this whole hair in 5 minutes tops, and that was still me trying to add a little bit extra things here and there, but this hair didn't give me. This is the most stress-free hair I have used in a very long time. So if you would like to see how this hair looks and all, definitely keep on watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys at the next part. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing the hair, and it came in this beautiful huge box. And I'm not going to talk, let's just unbox the hair together. I have with me my scissors, so I have to cut it. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what is inside or how it looks. But so far, from the pack, I can see it is their Bailey wig in the color, rather in the style MLF 568. I'm going to still bring this out for you guys to see, and also, yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So looking at this wig, first of all, I love the highlights of this wig. It is so gorgeous, and it is actually unlike anything I have used or put on from this brand. So let me just run through the specs. So it is 100% premium fiber, that's like premium synthetic wig. It is heat resistant, and it can be straightened or curled. They didn't specify the amount of heat, but usually around 200 to 350. It is a lace front wig, as you guys can see. A lot of people ask me what the difference is between lace frontal and lace front. Lace front just means the front is lace, while a frontal means like this whole part is lace. But it is a lace front wig. It has bouncy soft curls, and you guys, it's the curls for me, honestly. Can you guys see? And I'm just literally like running my hand through the wig, and it is going in. It is in the color TTL1B and 2730, and it is available in different colors. Let me show you guys. It is available in all the colors listed. It is available in all the colors listed below here. Another thing I noticed about this wig is the closure, the lace front part, the part, and it is basically like about 4.5 deep. So you have about 4.5 to style. If you guys can see, can you guys see it? I can see. Okay, yeah, you have about 4.5 depth. So as I said, I'm just going to cut all this out, and I am going to put the wig on my head. So yeah, another thing that I got from the pack is this is the hair detangler. I'm just going to open this up for you guys. So this is how the hair detangler looks like. It is very good for your synthetic and premium fiber wig or hair. It is very good because it helps it detangle. You can use it for any of your synthetic / premium fiber hair. So yeah, I'm obviously going to be using it for this wig. I just said to show you guys. So yeah, this is it. And yeah, let's go ahead and put the wig on my head. Alright, so guys, this is how the wig looks like with, sorry, I'm just checking to make sure my mic is on. This is how the wig looks like. I'm just gonna brush it out so you guys can see, and going back in with the hair detangler spray just around these sides. And I'm just gonna brush it, not too much so I can maintain the curls, although these curls are not good. They don't look like they are going anywhere. So you guys, this is it as a center part. I do not know which one I prefer, but let's try as a side part as well. You know, I told you guys to call me Beyonce. Just freaking call me Beyonce, girl, because I don't know. Goodness, this is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I have no idea which side I prefer. This is how the hair looks like as a side part. I do not know. This one is just giving me you said sorry, what'd you say? Sorry, I didn't hear you. What was you saying? And you know, the center one, let me just look at this one before I flip it over. And the center one just gives me more of a, I don't know, like, I just really like my center. I just really like my center part. So if you like a center part, you can definitely glue it down. If you like a side part, you can definitely glue it down however you like. But yeah, this is the beautiful unit. This hair didn't give me any stress at all. This is the most stress-free wig I have used so far. Like, literally didn't give me any stress at all. It came with baby hairs as well, but I wasn't really feeling that for this look, so I just really cut that part out. And the hair is already so flat that I didn't even need to take my flat iron to put it down. This hair is amazing. And the highlights, the color, child. Call me freaking Beyonce in the comment section. Like, I want to be saying, hi Beyonce, you look good Beyonce, because boo, that is what this wig is giving me. Let me know if you guys prefer the center part or the side. Let me show you guys the side again, or the side in the comment section down below. So guys, since I started this video off with a center parting, I decided to just show you guys how this hair will look as a side parting, and also go ahead and end the video. So my rating for this wig is, I'm gonna give it a solid 8.9 over 10, because I'm obsessed with the highlights and I like how versatile it is that you can literally put it as a center and as a side because of the curls, and the curls haven't lost their form. The hair doesn't shed. Look at it. Brush through, and this is literally all that comes out of it. I don't even know if my camera can pick up the hair. The hair doesn't shed, and once you just have the detangler, even if you keep it for a while and you just spray, just a little goes a long way. The hair is back to it. So again, I'm going to keep everything, the hair details, in the description box, so definitely check that out. And yeah, thank you so much again to the Hair Caterers for sponsoring this video, and I love you guys, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.